CBS.com. A follow-up now to a story we brought you last night at 11. The wife of a terminal COVID patient is suing to try and get a local hospital to give her husband the anti-parasite ivermectin. 17's Chris Burton reports.
A Bakersfield woman is suing Adventist Health in hopes of forcing the hospital to prescribe ivermectin to her COVID-stricken husband. The suit alleges that a doctor prescribed the anti-parasite as a treatment for Marcia Howard's husband Wesley, who lies on a ventilator in the ICU. The next day, officials at San Joaquin Community Hospital discontinued the prescription, the suit says. The FDA and other government agencies have warned that ivermectin is at best ineffective and at worst life-threatening when used as a treatment for COVID-19. Medical ethicist Christopher Myers understands why the hospital allegedly nixed the prescription.
The hospital administration and the medical hierarchy is not only allowed to, they are ethically obliged to confirm that this off-label use is appropriate. With ivermectin, there is no evidence that it is of benefit in the treatment of COVID-19.
It's tempting to wonder why a man so close to death would be denied a prescription, but Myers says ethical protocols can't be bent.
As tragic as these are, we can't say, well, let's just try anything, because that opens the door to, well, if they're going to let us use ivermectin, maybe they'll let us inject bleach or what have you.
A hearing was held in the Superior Court yesterday. A secondary hearing has been set in March of next year, which attorney Matt Clark says isn't surprising for a civil case.
The civil justice system does not move at a speed like one might expect.
There are ways of accelerating the process, mainly by proving the plaintiff has a limited life expectancy. But even then, the case could take longer than Wesley has left.
In a week or 2 weeks, that would be very, very difficult.
Neither Marcia nor her lawyers could be reached for comment. Adventist Health declined to comment on the ongoing litigation, saying only that, quote, "Our hearts are with our patients and their loved ones who are fighting this devastating virus." Chris Burton, 17 News.
17's Taylor Schaub is up next with